y'all, I'm Laura Lang, the Math Chick, and I'm convinced that you can do the math you need to make your life easier and better. I'm here today to talk to you about one item of my 10-point math manifesto. For a lot of people, math can feel like a competition. Who can get the answer quickest? Who can find the simplest answer? Or who can get the most answers correct on a long list of math problems? The thing is, math is not a competition. There's no rule that says that you have to do math quickly or that you can't make a few mistakes along the way. And speed seems to be the biggest pressure, especially in school. When my daughter was in elementary school, like a lot of kids, she was required to do timed math drills. The teacher would start a stopwatch and the students would begin working on a long list of simple math problems. The goal was to finish the problems in a certain period of time and get them all right. These math drills made my daughter's hands sweat and her heart race. She was an excellent math student, but when that timer started, her brain emptied out. In fact, when educators emphasize speed, they risk math anxiety. And math anxiety can lead to a complete shutdown of the brain, kind of what my daughter experienced during those timed drills. When allowed to fester, math anxiety can keep a kid from learning additional math skills, and that's serious stuff. In addition, timed tests and drills can emphasize the wrong things about math. Math is about thoughtful consideration and reasoning, not speed. In fact, higher level math depends on this deep thinking. Newton didn't come up with his theory of calculus in a split second. And when speed is really important, we use computers to help us solve complex mathematical problems, and calculators to help us do a little bit of arithmetic. Don't get me wrong. It's helpful to remember certain math facts very quickly, but during the learning process, it's best to emphasize numeracy. What's far more important than speed in math education is flexibility with numbers. This agility comes from creativity, not rote drilling or competitions. When we have the space for thoughtful consideration of numbers and patterns, we can find our own understanding of mathematical concepts. And speed can follow. For grown-ups, this process is really simple. You will get good at the math that you need and use on a regular basis. You just have to keep trying. And the more you use this math, the faster and faster you'll get at it. I promise. So if you're worried about how quickly your kid is doing math, you can stop fretting. And if you think that snail-like calculations means poor math skills, you can probably let that one go too. Slow and steady can be just fine for kids and adults. Share your ideas with me at www.mathforgrownups.com or tweet about this video using the hashtag #SlowMath. And until next time, remember, math doesn't have to be your BFF, but you can learn to get along in public. Do you have your own copies of Math for Grown-Ups or Math for Writers? Visit www.mathforgrownups.com and click on books. What's stopping you?